Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahesa Tri Rejeki, and now I will read my poems. The title is Astropile. In the past expanse where eagles soar, the canvas of the heavens forevermore. A tapestry of blue stretching wide and free, the sky a masterpiece for all to see. Majestic clouds in white, afloat and grand, they dance in the firmament a celestial band. As the sun sets low in shades of orange and red, the evening sky ignites a fairy display to spread. The moon a pearl in the midnight spare, with stars as diamond they twinkle near and clear. Amidst the dark clouds, lightning electric play, rain cadence down, nurturing lifelong the way. And after the rain, a rainbow's graceful bow, the sky gentle remind in colors that bestow. Whisper of the wind secret the sky does keep, in thunder's mighty roar it awakens from its sleep. The sky tells of beauty and mystery. In the silence of the night it grants certainty key. In the fatness above, in endless blue and gray, the sky enchanting story it tells every day. So that's all my poems, and the title is Astropile. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.